Is your print environment a bit of a free-for-all? Overuse of color printing, unauthorized access, and underutilization of efficient devices all drive printing expenses skyward. Consider forgotten or abandoned print jobs too. Not only do they create waste, but they compromise document security. Don't let uncontrolled printing lead to uncontrolled costs. Create accountability with Equitrac Office or Equitrac Express. You can require authentication to protect access, get detailed tracking for cost recovery, and use printing rules and routing for more economical, sustainable printing. Equitrac Office is a scalable solution for businesses. You can regain control of your print environment, offer secure release to protect sensitive documents, and collect accurate data for recuperating print costs. Equitrac Express is ideal for education. Set student print quotas, enable guest printing through pay-for-print, and lower your overall total output. With Equitrac, you can set specific user permissions. For example, you can authorize color printing for some individuals while enforcing black and white for others. Two options enhance your capabilities. The Ricoh Print and Copy Control option lets you track user activity at the device. In addition, you can unlock information on paper with the Capture and Send option, which tracks all scan activity and lets you scan directly into your workflows. Both Equitrac Office and Equitrac Express integrate with your existing directory or campus card system. User authorization is required at each device, which prevents unauthorized access and lets every job be traced back to its owner. Dashboards and detailed reports let you know who is printing what. With multiple people or even departments sharing output devices, Equitrac Follow You Printing provides a safe, flexible way to print. It holds print jobs on the server until the owner authenticates at a device. Then the files are released to print. Ensure print jobs are delivered to the best device for the job with Equitrac rules and routing. Files are redirected to available printers when a device is down, and files are routed to the best suited device for the job, lowering your cost per page. Let people print what they need, when and where they need it, while ensuring costs don't get out of hand. With Equitrac Office or Express, plus Ricoh Print and Copy Control.